Let's have a great time. We're going to jump right into it because everyone's been waiting long enough. Ladies and gentlemen, Susan Carberry.
Woo! Okay. All right, I totally forgot what I was going to do.
That's right. We don't know.
Just kidding.
Some kind of cake with feet, I think.
Okay, today I'm going to do a spring turtle, and you know me, nothing can be normal, so I'm going to be doing a little bit different spring turtle, but it's going to be super cute. All right, so the first thing we need a board here, and this is, what is this, 14-inch board, and it's just a cake drum. And then
And you can buy these now with actual feet already on them. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, with a
You just
turtle
buy
feet.
with three turtle feet already
Yeah,
there.
you can buy those
Where do
at
we
the
get
Cake
those?
Cottage.
At the Cake Cottage. That's right. Of course you
Pre-order.
can. Of course
Just
you
kidding. No, you cannot. Okay, so we've got the board. What I needed to do is make something. I wanted my turtle obviously standing up. I didn't want him flat. So I needed something to make kind of as a stand, but I wanted to do something that was easy that anybody could do at home.
We love easy.
Easy. Okay, so no major tools. You can either cut out a hole that fits 1/2 inch. This is 1/2 inch PVC that would actually fit in here. Or I always have my 7/8, but a lot of you people probably already have it if you've seen a lot of my videos. You put this on a drill and you can drill through. You don't want to go through all the way to the back though. Okay, so this is like layers of cardboard in here, so you can take an X-Acto knife if you don't have that and basically take out one little layer at a time. Okay, so that's definitely something that you can do there. Okay, so I've got my pieces. These are 3 inches long, and when this is all going to be cake that you're going to eat, you can use white coating chocolate, which I've got melted here, and actually pour it in and then put this in. Since I have a time limit, I want it to set up a little bit quicker, so I'm going to use hot glue. But if I was serving this cake, I would use the white chocolate.
Yeah, because this is not quite as tasty.
No, it's a little, kind of chewy.
By the way, what's the diameter of those PVC pipes?
This is 1/2 inch pipe, 1/2 inch PVC pipe.
Okay.
And then I have another piece here that I'm going to use for the neck. And then I have an elbow piece here that is also a 1/2 inch.
So let me get this straight. You're using an elbow piece for the neck.
I'm using an elbow piece for the neck and,
Okay.
and another straight piece for the neck.
Okay.
Okay, so I have 4 3-inch inside here for the legs. I'll show you how I put the fondant on those in a second. What I wanted to do is I wanted more of an oval body. So you can either use an oval cake pan if you have one, or an oval pattern. I had this PME oval cutter. So I actually placed it on top of foam core board, and I traced around it with a pen, and then I cut it with a utility knife. And I have 3 of them that I've taped to get that, well, I've put 2 together, but you need 3 of them. Now I need holes for the legs in 2 of them that are put together so that these can go over here. But what's gonna stop my cake from sliding down? Nothing at this point.
All right.
So that's where this one comes in, my next one. So this one, I'll just go ahead and take some hot glue. Again, you can use the white chocolate. That is your perfect glue. And I'm gonna go ahead and place this right on top here. And then I can pop this on here, make sure that they fit into their little grooves and things, and then it won't slide down. It can't go down because this piece right here stops it. The other thing I've done is I've cut out an opening here, and I've cut my PVC at an angle, and I just use PVC cutters. You'll see me cut with these in a few minutes because this is a rather long neck for a turtle. I'm probably going to cut it down, but I want to see the cake on there first. But I cut this end at an angle, so when I cut it down later, I'll just cut this straight on. So I've cut this out. This will actually sit in here, and I'll be using the chocolate also to put that in there. And then the head is going to be on this piece here, which is the elbow, and I'm actually going to turn it to the side that way. Okay?
And that's
our
foam core?
setup. This is foam core board, yes.
Foam core board.
So let me get rid of this. Then we can go ahead and we can put this other leg on first. So I'm just going to be using some of the, it's a green fondant. So I'm using, basically this is, you can either use AmeriColor Electric Green, or you can use a little bit of green fondant with more yellow fondant to make this color.
Wow.
Okay. Wow, bright.
That's pretty bright. Like,
You ever seen a turtle like this?
only if they've been
Not really camouflaged, huh?
dunked in radiation or something.
Well, you never know these days.